Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to add CSS in HTML. There are three ways. First one is external, second one is internal and third one is inline. Begins with the external. See, this is the external. To create the link external, we need to have the file CSS file. The file which is called CSS file that is extended with .css like stylesheet.css. See, we need to link this file to this HTML. That is happen with a link tag. Link relation style sheet. Both files are in the same folder. Just write the name in the reference. Stylesheet.css file name in the reference. And this link also in between head tags. See, we change some modifications of this HTML file. The background color is white. We will change this color to light blue. Body background color is light blue. Save the file. Then the color is changed from white to light blue. Then what is the use of this external? When we are needs to modify multiple HTML files, this single CSS file can handle all the HTML files which we need to change. So this is reduce the more work. Comes to the internal. This internal also in between head tags. See, the CSS file, adding CSS file happens with the style tags like this. Style. In between style tags, you can change the modification of any element in this document. So this internal means the modifications in this tags affects only in this document. See this. Body, background color is light green. Then the color is changed from light blue to light green. Means the value is overridden. Means override. And this is internal is used for single HTML file. Useful to single HTML file. Comes to the inline. This inline means it is adding CSS to one element like the P. Paragraph P is there. This is welcome to CSS. See, this welcome to CSS there. We use the attribute style for inline, adding inline CSS. Style gives some values like color is maroon. See, the color is changed from black to maroon. Then this is very little, make it bigger with font size 30 pixel. The font size is changed to the 30 pixel. Welcome to CSS. This is the inline use of CSS like this. And this is the details of adding CSS in HTML. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.